Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today is time to take a look at the Japanese yen because some moments that we have discussed in the last video now almost has been completed, and maybe currently it's the time where market could return back to action in the direction of the big patterns that we have. So if you remember, actually we have the long play scenario on the weekly chart, and this is weekly chart. And this is mostly based on this pattern. This is the bearish grabber. This pattern suggests the taking out of these lows. That's the, as you can see, long-term journey on the Japanese yen. And when we have talked about this situation 3-4 days ago, we said, guys, take a look at it. And this week, it also could be formed another grabber. So if market will close below, let's check this precise price. So if we close below 111.72 area, in this case, we could get another grabber here, and market could continue move lower. At least this grabber will suggest the taking out of these lows. This will be really important. And as you can see, market stands just 30 pips above this important level, and by the end of the today's session, it really could happen that market will close below it. So that's a very important moment to watch for. On the daily chart, guys, picture hasn't changed significantly. We still have the same butterfly that is still valid. And last time, our major concern was mostly in the reversal point. We do not we didn't know where the starting of the right shoulder will happen. So maybe here, but what we do know that this reversal should stand inside of this initial swing, otherwise butterfly will be void. And currently we see some signs on the intraday charts that probably could suggest that this reversal right now stands underway. So if you could see on the other major currencies across the board, we see the weakness of the United States dollar, and we see hints from the different central banks on possible rate hike. So previously this was Bank of England. Recently the Mario Draghi, European Central Bank, has given some hints on the possible contraction on the quantitative easing program, and that situation with deflation starts to improve in the European Union. And also the Bank of Canada gives some hints on the possible rate changing. So this is really important, and that shows the weakness of the United States dollar among the major currencies. But this weakness has no reflection till this moment on the Japanese yen. So Japanese yen continues to dropping, as you can see. But right now it seems the situation starts gradually to change. For example, on the 4-hour time frame chart, what we have, first of all, our target of the double bottom has been completed. So you can see it's classical destination between the bottom of the pattern to the neckline, counted from the neckline to the upside, gives us precise the target has been completed. Trend has shifted bearish on the 4-hour time frame chart. Also, you can see here some divergence. Also, take a look. This very strong reversal candle has been formed. So market has created a new top and closed below the lows of the previous session, and actually it engulfs almost the 2 days of the previous trading right inside of this reversal. So that could become the sign of weakness. On the hourly chart, this reversal has taken the shape of the butterfly and is dropping to the downside. So what I would like to say is that maybe the moment that we have discussed right now is ready to appear, and you could act differently here. So for example, if you need more confidence with this trade, and you could wait for a closing of the week and see whether market will form the grabber or not. If market will not form the grabber, you could wait a bit more to get more clear signs on the possible reversal, or maybe to wait another week here. Also grabber, for example, could be formed. It's also possible. If you would like to jump in today, well, in this case, you probably could watch for these retracement levels could be used. So usually when the market forms initial reversal swing, as you can see here, a swing down is greater than previous swing up. So some kind of a reversal swing, usually retracement usually deeper. So in this case, probably it's better to watch for at least 112.46 fib level. So that's another opportunity how to act. But in general, the picture that we see right now on the weekly chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart, could mean that indeed some situation is starting to change on the Japanese yen as well. That really could become a very important moment for the medium-term perspective of this currency. So let's see how situation will develop here. Also, as I said, if even we will not get the grabber here today, but on the next week we could get some more signs on the intraday charts. Maybe situation will start to develop to the downside, and in this case, this also will be an opportunity to take the position on some minor retracement. So to consider a lot of options here exist. How to possess yourself with this trade. Choose what's more comfortable to your mind, to your trading style. So, and let's keep watching, because in the Japanese yen situation is really very interesting and potentially very attractive, because existence of the weekly grabbers really bring very good chances to success, because this is very nice patterns to trade.